Okay, now I'm going to go over the loops. So first we have three types of loops. A basic while loop. So it's just like this. And the second type of loop is for loop. It's another a similar type of while loop. The last type of loop is do while loop. So let's take a close look at the while loop. So while loop is pretty straightforward. So first we declare a variable x equals to 0. Then while x is greater, while the condition is true, then just execute the code inside of the while loop. So we just keep looping back until the condition turns to false. So we exit this loop. So what is the last value of x will be printed out in this case. First, it is initialized to 10. Step 1, the condition will check if x greater or equals to 0. And yes, 10 greater and equals to 0. Therefore, it will execute system out.print line, print out at 10. Then the third step is x will be decreased by 2. So x becomes 8. After that, the loop will go back to check the condition again. So it will check if 8 greater equals to 0. So the loop will just keep looping back until the x equals to -2. So, but here, it will print out x before x decreases by 2. Therefore, the final x that will be printed out would be 0. So the for loop is a harder version of the while loop. So first step is initialization. We have basically three parts. In the parentheses. So on the left part, we have initialization. And let's say int I equals to 0. Then the second step is check the condition. It's just like the while loop. If I less than 2, then do the body part. If not, then it will just skip this loop, just jump outside of the loop. And the third part, when the body part of the code is executed, it will jump to the third part, which is updation. You can update the loop variable. So therefore you can use the loop, take advantage of the for loop. The third type of loop is do while loop. Also, we call the do loop. So for the do loop, it's a special loop that it will execute the code first, then check the condition. So it's not like the while loop or the for loop. So first it will do and execute the body part of the loop. Then it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will go back to execute the body part again. If the condition is false, then it will just jump out of the loop.